squeeze bends.
Oh.
I know where I'm going. That thing's cammed. No, that's not a cow. Shaitlin gets all fucking upset when we do light pulls with an open highway. Baby girl, settle down.
I like that.
Oh yeah, I like the new Lexus.
Just like that font.
She does have nice lines.
I don't want a new one, but I do like the silhouette of it. Pulling.
No, relax, relax. Everything's fine. Can't even come close to testing the limits of this thing on the street. Like, I feel like through those twisties we could easily be going triple digit speed safely while being stuck to the road. Of course, that doesn't take into account the deer that might run out, or the road hazard, or the kid that might run into the street with the ball. So we got to keep it responsible. But man, I can't wait to take this thing on the fucking track. It's so good. It's just too good. And I'll tell you what, guys, the equal length active auto work mid pipe, magic. S58, you know, it's lower compression. You know, it sounds a little flat from stock, like not even just from the fact that it's quiet. Wow, this thing boogies. This thing absolutely gets down. It's a little flat. It sounds like like you know, the WRXs without the equal length. They just sound like it's got a misfire or something. But I'll tell you what, guys, equal length. This car, every single video people ask about, what's the exhaust setup? What's the exhaust setup? Mad Catalyst downpipes, active auto work mid pipe, and then it's got the active auto work rear section. That's a valve section with so it's straight through. It's essentially a straight pipe. And then when you want to arrest the burbles, tame it down a little bit, you're going by a cop, someone's walking their dog, you got to be, you know, respectful. You just close the valves. That is just belligerent. Gotta love it. Holy shit. So this car is stock, it's untuned. I haven't put a JB4 on. This is a big investment for me. I don't want to soil the car. I think JB4, there's nothing wrong with JB4. I'm a little bit worried about the fuel tables and not being able to get the car switched all the way through. I've heard horror stories of cars over boosting, leaning out. I don't want to fuck with it. So we're gonna, if we tune the car, it's gonna be a full unlock. and be properly dyno tuned. With that being said, just driving it on the street is like magic. Entertainment factor is at 10. Really enjoying the car. Absolutely bone stock. Haven't messed with anything suspension wise. Just been hunkering down at work. Guys have been working around the clock. That's why I haven't posted much full length content. Been hunkered down like you wouldn't believe. But I haven't gotten to really play with this car as much as I like, aside from on the weekend, just taking it out. We're building the boost. Wow, this is just a effing incredible car. This package, I'll tell you what guys, stable, at speed, things just planted, hooks up in the corners, tossing the corner like nothing. I mentioned this in a couple of other videos, but in sport mode, with steering in sport mode, it's just so freaking sharp. The thing's a total go-kart. This is probably the last gen with the 6-speed, or at least that's what it's looking like. G87 is gonna be last gen with the 6-speed, so F87's dope too. Love the body style of the F87, a little bit cleaner, but you need the S58. Everyone knows G series driveline's indestructible. Oh, someone's walking their dog. See, close the valves. No burble. Apologize. Hey, sorry, brother. Sorry for spooking the pup. They keep making these videos really quick for you guys, but yeah, in closing, the G87, man, this is what you need. Body style's aggressive as fuck. You got the lighting package, carbon pack, obviously. Oh, last thing, I'll leave you guys with this. Anyone that's like, oh, I can't use the carbon bucket seats for my back, they're just, those guys are shy. You gotta get in the gym, you gotta loosen up your hips or something. These are as comfortable as they get. This is what you need for driving cross country. If you have issues sitting in this, man, you gotta go to a back surgeon or something. This is the best. Carbon buckets, goated. Good night. A couple pulls in Mexico, huh? So what's done in this thing so far? We got downpipes, intake.
Yep, so we're ripping JB4, MAT 5, E30 blend, catless downpipe, intake, and then we got the TCU tune, XHP.
Buddy, brilliant, bro. Oh, she's pulling nice.
Woo!
She's digging.
Yeah, she's digging.
Dig monster.